Spring is finally in the air. I got tulips coming up, and man, let's take a look at some sales going on at the big box stores. 10-cent seeds at Menards is what I was finding. You don't have to spend a lot of money to do gardening, especially if you're just starting out. Don't try and go and get all the big, cool, award-winning plants. Just get started. Put something in the ground. Something is better than nothing. All these seeds at Menards when I went were 10 cents a piece. I'm going to do another video where I grow some of these just to show you guys that you can literally have a garden for $1 worth of seeds. Literally have a garden with radishes, broccoli, pumpkins, cantaloupe. I mean, they had everything here, and super cheap. Super cheap. Let's take a look and see what Costco had. We got potting mix. Honestly, $11.99 is not a terrible price, but not super cheap. Miracle-Gro, a lot of the stuff they put in theirs is synthetic. It's not great. But we do have some trees. If you're looking for trees, for $16.99 at Costco is an amazing price. I have no idea. I've never planted one of these Costco trees, so I have no idea how these bare root trees compare and how well they take once you plant them. But a pretty good selection. Pears, plums, apples. Might be worth a try for $17. It might be worth it. So I'm showing you guys right now what some of these stores, I just showed you the seed at Menards. I'm showing you some nice flowers right now, the trees and everything that they have at Costco. And then we're going to go take a look at Target as well. But are these the greatest places to get these things? No. But what I want to show everyone in this video is that literally somewhere near you, you could get started gardening. You don't have to spend a lot of money. And as you get better and better at gardening, you can start to spend that money and get better tools, get better seeds, get better things. But just start. So many people talk about, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I want to do this. And then something gets in their way, whether it's the fact that, oh, I got to order the seeds and now it's too late because by the time shipping happens, it'll be too late to plant. Just go to Costco. Go to Menards. Go to Home Depot. You can get the things that you need to grow both either pretty flowers or edible things at places like Costco, at places like Menards, Home Depot. We'll stop at Target after this, but look at these roses that you could set up. Look at these fruit. We showed you the trees earlier. They also have grapes and blueberries and raspberries. Tons of things that you can get for not that much, $14 for a plant. And try to build your garden. It may die the first time. But guess what? Learning from your mistakes right now, when we can still afford things at the supermarket, is way better. Now, this that I'm showing you guys right now, the worm castings at Costco, is something that I absolutely recommend 100% if you're a gardener or you want to get into gardening, that you go and buy these things. Will fertilize your garden like none other. Now let's go look at some of these pretty pots that they have, planters, things that you can get if you want to make your yard look awesome. These are really cool ways to do this at an affordable price. For me, I'm more concerned about getting edible food. I'm more concerned about the rising prices at the grocery store with everything, especially now that's going on with Iran and going on with these oil prices and all that stuff. I'm far more concerned about growing food than looking pretty. My wife, on the other hand, definitely is more concerned about making sure that the yard is as pretty as can be and is something that when guests come, they are enjoying from a sight view. I'd rather feed them really good food, but you can see the deals. Just walking through Costco, how much stuff they have to get. This garden bed for $150 is a great place to start if you don't want to do anything else. Now we're into Target. Honestly, out of the place I'm showing you right now, I probably wouldn't buy a whole lot from Target for my garden. But again, what I want to show people is if that's all you got, that's all you got. Start somewhere. Go and buy some things. You can buy soil at Target. You can buy, I don't know too many people that don't have access to at least one of these stores: Costco, Target, Menards, Home Depot. These sticky traps, something I would buy. You can get them at Home Depot too, but if you're going to start seeds indoors, those sticky traps will save you if you get any gnats. Some of this plant food, honestly, I will show you some better ways that you can make your own fertilizer or buy certain things that are more organic and will have much higher levels of what you're looking at and what you need to find in these fertilizers. I don't think I zoomed in enough here, but the levels here, the nitrogen here and the phosphorus and everything, just not super high. Again, no shame on using this if this is the only option you have, but this is all a lot of synthetic fertilizer. It's not great. It's not organic. But if this is all you have access to, get it now, because if stuff hits the fan and we can't afford groceries anymore, I don't really care if it's organic. I need to live and I need to be able to feed my family, and buying these seeds is going to allow you to do it. You can even use EBT on these seeds. All right. You can literally buy these seeds with an EBT card and grow these plants to feed your family. So I don't care how poor you are, there's not a big excuse for not having a garden and not being able to feed your family if shit hits the fan. You have to be ready and you have to know what's going on. And like I said, is Target going to be my first choice to buy these seeds and to buy everything here? No. But they got everything you need. If all you have is a Target near you, it has everything that you need to grow and to start your garden. And I'm telling you, start with these simple things, even like these little pollinator packages or the pizza package, or, grow your own cocktail garnish. Start with these things, because growing this summer and realizing when you get a crop, the joy of it is going to make you want to do more in the coming years. And in 3, 4, 5 years, you'll have that full grown garden because you realize you can do it. And you're going to fuck up the first few years. You're going to make a lot of mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes. I still make a lot of mistakes. I still kill things all the time. But you're going to get better and better at it. And these things that you're seeing that I'm walking through Target are going to make it so that you can try and get better and better. And in 2, 3, 4 years, all of a sudden, this growing a plant and having a few tomatoes turns into, oh, I want to start canning. Oh, I want to start having a reserve for my family in case shit hits the fan. Oh, I want to start eating healthier. And this is the easiest way to do it, is to grow your own food, because I know exactly fucking everything that is in my food. I know exactly everything that the plant ate, because if you feed the plant poison, it puts the poison into its fruit. If you feed the plant organic things and are using things like worm castings and organic fertilizer and things like that, you are going to get much better fruit, vegetables, lettuce, whatever you want to grow. You're going to get much healthier versions of that, and it's going to be awesome. So just want to show to everyone that, first of all, spring is here officially, because all these stores are putting out their garden stuff. Give you guys some ideas and say, hey, look, there's no shame. No matter what is near you, get out there, go get it, start your garden. You should be planting seeds at this point. And yeah, here's to a bountiful season. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you next time.